Hi, welcome to Projects in Dad's Garage. I'm Alexa, and today we're fixing this.
What is it?
It's a Play-Doh machine.
Oh. So what's wrong with it?
It won't move.
So what are we investigating?
If there's any broken parts in the inside that's making the chain not move.
What makes you think there's broken parts inside?
When you shake it.
It rattles?
Yeah. I
Oh.
don't think that's supposed to happen.
So, taking out some screws, and we'll see what happens, huh?
Oh, the baby's here. Okay. What next?
I don't think they're all out.
They are.
All right, well, let me check them.
Okay.
Yeah, they're definitely not out.
Of course. And I'm going to be trying to work on this because it's my project. He is just here to make sure that I do it correctly, because if I don't do it correctly, then this might fail.
Whether you do it correctly or not doesn't matter. You're going to learn something either way.
Yeah. I wanted to do a project with him anyway,
Some
so.
of these are out all the way.
I told you!
Some of them are not.
Okay, well, at least I got some. Are we doing this to the other side, too?
No, there's only screws in the one side.
Uh-huh.
It attaches this side to the other side.
Cool.
Ugh. You really torque these things in there. Somebody may or may not have tightened them instead of loosening them the first time around.
Gotta get a close up. Oh, yeah. Oh, the dog's here. This is Corgan. That's Corgan. Zip it! Of course she does.
Put it down.
The person that's talking is my mother. Say hi.
All right, let's.
You have to say hi. They can't see you.
Hi, Mother. Zibby.
We're gonna
You're not full with that in your mouth.
try to put these screws in.
Take it out of your mouth.
You have to take them out.
I know, and then
You have to put them back in.
yeah, you're gonna need to put them in so you
No
can't lose them.
dirt. This is something that Dad has printed. Features. Wow! Yay! Okay, let's go. You can do it. Do you want me to try? Will this come off? Oh. There's some screws. Okay. Mommy, Daddy. Look. I may have found one of the culprits. There's some Play-Doh in there. Dad's loosening up the screws again. And why we are doing this is so my sister can have this to play with, because she loves Play-Doh so much. So, best sister in the world. Screws.
Got the glue stick.
Good job. Oh. Okay. Dad is doing it. Oh! I want to do it. Beans. There's a bean. Like a beans. It's doing it.
All done.
Do you want me to try?
not sure what's going on there.
Aria, please be careful.
Be careful.
No, that'll pinch you. Pick up your color thing. You just stepped on. Go pick it up.
So right now he is currently trying to open this so we can get to this.
Yeah, the sun's not coming apart.
What? It's getting there. Here, let me try.
That seems to be the end with the motor on it.
You found it too hard.
Do you think it's that red thing inside that's stopping it?
That's something that's
What?
Uh-oh. Did you poop? You did? Let's see. B.
Mommy, we're filming a video. Daddy, try taking out these.
this isn't it.
Go. Ew, you stink. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh. Oh, yeah. Look at that. He's getting it. Dump out the stuff.
Just for him. Kiss his lips.
Oh.
That's what was rattling.
This.
Just Play-Doh.
Little dirt. Can I use those blue things? Oops. Oops.
Yeah, and then put that back in there.
Okay. I want to try now. Daddy, it was my project that I wanted to do.
No, let's
Look. Sorry, I had to put you down for a second. There we go.
Wonder if there's a screw in the middle of these.
Probably. Daddy, oh my god. He's so smart. What in on!
All right.
Okay. Now it's my time to shine. Okay. Hold this. I want to look. Ew.
All right.
Hold this. Okay. So, what do I need to get out? Oh, do I need to get all the Play-Doh?
Mm-hmm.
I think I might have found the culprit of why it's not moving, Daddy. That. Come on. Get out. Sometimes we struggle in that.
All right. So now, where'd that little red pin go?
Down there.
All right. Well, let's get that. All right. Let's put that back in here. That goes here.
Yay!
Belt tensioner. Now let's look. All right. So, got your batteries. And they go to this switch, right? Well, the positive lead does, which is attached to a little Omron switch, right? And then that also goes over to here, and with another little Omron switch, right? And then that comes over here to the motor. So, if I had to wager a guess, right, I'd say that this switch is a master on and off, and then the belt only runs when this is pushed down.
Daddy.
What?
You can't move that.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if it'll move when there's batteries in it. Alright, here, hold this. Let's put some batteries in here and let's test some things. Okay. So, now, got nothing there, got nothing there, got nothing there, got nothing there. Alright, let's get out some testing equipment.
This right here is not moving, and that moves the chain, and that makes everything go. So probably this probably has something in it, or it's something in the motor, probably.
All right, let's take a look. All right, so we need volts. Volts DC. All right. So let's make sure we got power over here.
Do we have power?
We have power.
Okay.
All right. Now let's see.
We got
Power
power.
there. We got power there.
You need to test the white one.
So now we're going to need to take some more stuff apart.
Yay! Okay, I want to take apart something. So what we have found in the thing so far, we have found some dried up Play-Doh, which this was in over there, which that was making it not move, and now he is taking apart the motor. Oh, is that working? It's working! Sissy, it's working!
Tighten this up and see what happens.
So all that we have found in this has been this piece of Play-Doh, and then these.
Well, this one I think was your problem, because it was stuck inside the gears.
So this one. Ah! I don't know why I'm trying to pick it up with these, but I want to.
Alright. So that mystery is solved.
All because of you. You. Why'd you do that?
Alright.
Now we're just gonna put that back together. And I probably say the culprits are probably this one and this one. These ones probably were the two culprits. Maybe this one. So go get your butt changed and then you can play with Play-Doh.
Alright, so now we need some small screws. If I get these all started, do you want to finish them?
Sure.
What did you do with the screw that was in here?
Put it in there.
Long ones. Alright, go ahead and tighten them all up.
This way?
Yep. Alright, you might have to hold this wheel. Alright, that's tight. That's tight.
Sorry.
Alright, now tighten up all the rest, then we'll come back to the video. So you got it all back together. Let's turn it on and see if it runs. We'll switch on the other side. Now push down the cutter. All right, push down the stamper. All right.
This is hard. This is hard.
All right, let's put it down here and let Zippy try it. Do we have some soft Play-Doh?
No. Let's work it all out and let Zippy get to it last night.
Oh.
Zippy, go get the red Play-Doh.
You think clay would work?
No.
Should be soft on the bottom.
Yeah, there's. Okay. Move. Stop. Okay, you ready? Okay, no, you have to put it down right here. Okay, ready? First, watch Sissy.
Let her try it first. Have her do it.
Push it.
Wait till it gets underneath of it, and then push it down.
Push. Push. Okay. Oh. You made a bean. You want to cut your bean? Okay, cut. Cut. Go. Yay! Yay! Oh, and there it goes.
Sissy fixed it for you. Say thank you.
You want to watch Sissy make a donut? I want to make donut.
All right.
Make donut.
Let's say goodbye to everybody.